This is Mildred O. Welcome to my vlog.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, you know how we roll now. I love you and thanks for coming back. So today I decided to tour you guys on the popular beach in Akwa Ibom State called the IBENO Beach, either IBENO or IBENO. It's spelled IBENO Beach, and coming from Uyo, it's like 45 minutes drive. So I'm going to show you around on the beach, just a little bit tour, because there's nothing really much to show, but I just like the serenity of the beach. It's calm, it's quiet, the water is clean, you can have fun with your friends or your family, whatever it is. There are people around that sell stuff, so just come with your money.
The IBENO Beach is one of the beaches on the Atlantic Ocean along the shorelines of IBENO. It is located in IBENO, a local government area of Akwa Ibom State, South Nigeria. It is a fantastic beach that showcases the best of natural Nigeria. IBENO is also very popular for tourism since it was the landing site of the Akwa Ibom Christian mission from Scotland, which was one of the most successful Christian missions in Nigeria. IBENO is also the home to the ExxonMobil QIT terminal, where crude oil is processed for export all over the world. Isn't that amazing? One thing I love most about IBENO Beach is the serenity and its nature. Gosh, it has places for relaxation, taking pictures, chilling with family and friends. You could throw a birthday bash here or a destination wedding. Anything you want to do with the beach, basically. Beach, guys, it's quite beautiful and serene. It's more bubbling on weekends because that's when people come and flex, and but I came here on a weekday because that's the time I have chance. So but I actually like it. I love serene places, so I like when it's quiet and it's just me taking my walk on the beach. Hope you enjoyed this little video of mine. If you visit Akwa Ibom, please make sure that you visit the IBENO Beach. It's a beautiful place to be in. So guys, that will be all on this particular vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're going to visit. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. Please help my ministry to move to the permanent side. Alright, and also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle at it's Mildred_O. I love you all and peace.